This
to each and
conference
every.
will now be recorded.
So Rakesh, can you tell me something about you? Rakesh?
Yes, Anjan, Rakesh here. Hey, hi, Anjan. See, I have uh, around 14 plus years of experience to EMC
Okay.
storage.
Okay.
Okay, the role as per the project, the working as per project on a support level. Okay,
Okay.
and right now I'm working with Parkless in Pune locations. Okay,
Okay.
and so I have a little bit experience on shell scripting. Okay,
Okay.
okay, and I don't have any knowledge about the programming, all these things. Okay, so
Okay.
mainly thing my work environment is support kind of work. Okay,
Okay.
from the EMC storage and OS point of view, Linux, Windows, that kind of I experience. Okay,
So now you want to be learn the programming, then after you want to be become like a data scientist, right?
right,
You
exactly.
want to change your career towards data science. Is it right or
Yes,
not?
yes,
Yes.
yes. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes. That's nice introduction, Mr. Rakesh. Let me go with
Thank.
Praveen. Yes. So Praveen, can you tell me something about you? Hello, Mr. Praveen. Hello, Praveen. I couldn't hear anything. Can you speak something?
20 years of experience, 12 years.
So Praveen, you are selected no audio again. Make sure that you should select the computer audio. Okay. So Praveen and Rakesh, you both are you colleagues, right? Praveen?
Yeah, yes. We are both colleagues.
Okay. So Praveen also having approximately 10 plus years of experience in the same field
Yes,
of you, right? It's something like
right.
storage and scripting and everything, right? So I already speak
Right.
with, actually he has done the 2 sessions in the morning session actually. Just want to be give this some introduction session to him because of he is not attending the first initial 2 sessions. That's the reason I just connected here, you people here, okay? See,
My
Okay.
net,
Praveen
my net,
also.
sorry, my net was disconnected.
Okay, fine. Good. No
Yeah,
issue. No issue.
yeah. So
Yes, tell me, Praveen.
I have total 12 years of experience. I am also
Okay.
working in the storage domain and
Mm-hmm.
supporting 24 by 7 shifts into the storage domain.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any knowledge about scripting or shell or programming. I don't have any knowledge.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is, you can say, this is the beginning, of the programming
Mm.
for.
Okay, sure. You don't worry, Praveen. I can explain you each and every point. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go with understand. Let me go with introduction to Jahanavi. So, Jahanavi, can you tell me something about yourself?
Sir, my name is Jahanavi,
Okay.
and currently I'm in my first year of engineering, and my major is electronics and communication. I'm new to
Okay.
this programming. I don't know, just basic knowledge about Python.
Okay. Basic
So I'm
knowledge.
looking forward to learn more about Python
Okay. Okay.
because I think it's the trending language going on right now.
Okay. Good. Nice introduction, Janavi. I think from the first year onwards, you want to be go with the right track actually. Okay. I hope you have a better future. And see, let me introduce about myself. Okay. See, guys, this is Anjan Kumar. Okay. So I have the around 6+ years of experience. Okay. And mainly my work on machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, okay, and natural language processing with Python programming language. Okay. And my career, it was started from Qualcomm. Okay, from the Qualcomm, I used to work with on machine learning and embedded applications. Okay, embedded Linux device drivers and embedded applications and chip level work we are doing in we done the work from Qualcomm. Okay, and at present I'm working for Robotics Research Center as a CEO. Okay, this is a small information about myself, and apart from working with Robotics Research Center, it's my basic interest. Whatever the knowledge I have it, I just want to be sure. I want to be share that knowledge to the people actually. Okay, that's what the reason might be, whether it is the morning or evening. I use it to share my knowledge to the multiple people here. Okay, so mainly my students, they are from US, UK, Australia, and Canadian people. Okay, and this is about a basic information about myself. Okay, and now we need to go with stepping into understanding the how we can able to understood the whole data science as well as Python programming language. Okay, mainly we are concentrating on the Python programming language. The reason which can be used for different kind of applications. Okay, different kind of applications we can build with the help of the Python. Okay, so this session I just want to be see I'm not giving introduction to any other data science those things actually, because of data science you already know. I can share that recording, the introduction to data science. Okay, and again I can start the data science sessions whenever I completed the Python programming language. Instead of wasting of this today, I would like to start the first class of the Python programming language. Okay, see, today I would like to go with explaining the Python programming language introduction. Okay, from the Python programming language introduction session, I would like to share you the following topics. See, from the Python introduction session, I would like to share you the following topics. The first one is Python programming language features. Every programming language which having its some features, right? In same way, the Python programming language also having some features. We need to discuss about this Python programming language features. Okay. Next one is we need to go for understanding the Python programming language applications. Okay, so we can able to build the different kind of applications with the help of the Python. See what kind of applications we can able to build with the help of the Python. We need to discuss about it. If you want to be work with Python programming language, we require the some platform. We require some software to implementing the Python programs that we are calling it same Python IDE. Okay, Python IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, see how to download this particular IDE and how to install it, and thereafter how to use it, that I can explain you. Okay, and moreover how you can able to learn this whole Python course as well as data science course structure, Python course structure as well as data science. The reason is Pravin and Rakesh, you are interested in data science. That was the reason I would like to share you how we can able to learn the data science itself. Okay,
Okay.
next one is what are the benefits you will be getting from my side if you learn the Python course as well as data science. Those things also we need to understand by this particular session. See, I hope you understand, right? what you will be go for understanding this particular 1 hour session?
Yeah.
What you will be understand, Jahanavi? Jahanavi, what you understand by this
Sir,
particular session? What you will be go for understand this particular session?
sir, I guess it will be the basic features of Python and about the
Yeah.
IDE
Yes.
and the modules that are involved in how you teach it.
Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Gotcha. Definitely. Those things only we need to discuss by this particular session. Okay. So let me go for understanding the Python programming language features. Okay. Every programming language which having its own features, right? The same way, the Python programming language also having some kind of features. See guys, if you want to be write some notes, we can write it actually. Okay. See, coming to the Python programming language features, what are the features we have it? What are the features we have it? Can you tell me some features regarding about Python? See, the Python programming language, which is a free of cost. You don't need to pay the single rupee for downloading the Python IDE, for using the Python IDE. Okay, it's a free of cost. You don't need to pay the single rupee also. Okay. Second point is it's open source. What is mean that open source? See, for example, open source means I can tell you a small example. For example, you written a small program. Okay, that will be addition program. I written it. I written the addition program. Okay, for example, addition program in the sense a value is for example 10 and b value for example 20. Okay, c value it will be a plus b addition, right? It's addition program. Just we can able to print the a value. So this is a small program for addition of two numbers. Okay, this is the thing we are calling it say source code. What it is? It's a source code. If you write some program, that program having some code, that particular code we are calling it say source code. What is the source code? It's the addition program source code. Addition program source code. This is a program which is implemented by, for example, Rakesh. Okay, but Pravin need to be implementing the program which is the subtraction. Okay, at this point of time, simply the Pravin can take this particular code. Okay, and you can modify as per your requirement. That we are calling it say open source. Open source means the source code it can be available with free of cost on internet, and it can able to modify by the people that we are calling it say open source. So you can able to modify the source code instead of the a plus b, we can use the a minus b. Then we can able to modify that addition program to a subtraction program, right? This kind of changes we can able to do in any program that we are calling it say open source. Did you understand my point? What is exactly open source?
Yes.
So guys, did you understood or not?
Yes.
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 Now let me go with understanding the other features also. If you want to be learn the Python programming language, do you need any additional programming knowledge previously? I can say no. Okay, no need of any programming knowledge previously. We don't need any programming knowledge. Okay, without any programming knowledge also we can able to learn the Python programming language. The reason is it was most easiest programming language in the world, most simplest as well as easiest programming language in the world. Why it was very simple and why it is very easy? The reason is the syntax will be it's something like English language. Syntax are same like English sentence. Okay, Is it clear? Is it clear or not? That was the reason it was most easiest programming language in the world. See, even we don't need any programming knowledge previously, which is following the C programming language features also. You know already some C programming languages and C++ programming languages. You already know, right? See, C programming language features also which are available. Basically, C is a structure-oriented programming language. If we want to write a small program, we need to follow the proper structure. Something like first we need to include the header files. Next we have to define the function, user defined function prototypes. We should define the global variables. We should define the main function. Then after you should define the user defined functions. Some like we have some structure is there in C. In same way, which are available in case of Python programming language also. Okay. Next one is the Python programming language, which is having the C++ features also, which are available C++ features. C++ basically it's the object-oriented programming language. If any programming language which having some separate features are there, which is something like polymorphism. Polymorphism in the sense a same program, it can do the multiple tasks that we are calling it say polymorphism. Inheritance in the sense one particular program, one particular class properties we can able to access to some other class. That kind of features we are calling it say inheritance. That kind of things will be there in C++, so that we are calling it say object oriented programming language. The same features which are available inside of the Python also. Okay, so that we can call it the object oriented programming language. Next one is the Python programming language, which is follows the Java programming language features. Basically, which can work on any operating system. What is the use of the Java? Work on any OS. It doesn't matter whether you are using the Windows, whether you are using the Linux, whether you are using the Mac operating system. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you written one particular program that we can able to convert into the computer understandable code, that code it can work on the windows Linux, Mac, on any operating system. Okay, so that we are calling it say platform independent, so that we are calling it same platform independent. Okay, same features which are available in case of Python programming language also. Okay, and we have different other programming languages, which is something like Perl programming language. So basically Perl is it's an interpreted programming language. What it is, it's an interpreted programming language. For example, what exactly the interpreter, I can tell you. You are written a small code of one particular software. That code is never understood by the computer, that we need to convert into the object code. Okay, whatever the program code that we are calling, it's a source code, right? The source code, whatever the source code we are created, that source code if you want to be understood by the program, we need to convert into the object code. The process of converting from source code to object code in the format of line by line, in the format of line by line or statement by statement, that we are calling it say interpreted programming language. The same features are available in case of Python programming language also. Clear my point? Hello,
Yes, Anjan.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Janvi, are you following my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm following, sir.
See, as of now, we just understood, we are just understanding the different kind of features are there, so which can be follows the different programming languages features also, which are included inside of the Python. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Janvi,
Yes, sir. Yes,
someone
sir. I'm following.
in front of you, I think someone is talking actually. Make sure that can you mute your system? Yes, thank you. Okay, good. The Python programming language, which can be follows the C programming language features, it can follows the C++, it can follows the Java programming language, which can follows the Perl programming language. Not only these programming language features, it can follows the .NET programming language features also. Okay, so you know already .NET and other names. Just you don't need to understand those all the things. Just names you are aware of it, right? .NET programming language features. Okay, and MATLAB programming language features. This is the MATLAB will be used for to do some kind of image processing or else signal processing. That purpose we can use the MATLAB or digital signal processing. That purpose we can use the MATLAB. Okay, and we can able to follow the SAS programming language features. It can able to follow the Scala programming language features. It can able to follow the Spark programming language features. See, one single programming language, it can follow the all programming language features. That will be Python programming language. Okay, that is the reason it is so popular than the all other programming languages. Okay, so not only these features, which is the scripting programming language. What it is? It is the scripting programming language. Scripting programming language means it was very simple actually. For more understanding, I can tell you. For example, if you're creating one particular software, if you want to get the output, first we need to convert into the object code, then we need to go for execution, then only we can get the output, right? This is the standard scenario which is followed by the any programming language. But coming to the scripting programming language, this is the two tasks. It can done parallelly. This is the two tasks. It can done parallelly, and one more thing, line by line. That means statement by statement. First line, it can be converted into the object code that can be executed, then go for the second statement conversion, second statement execution, then go for the third statement conversion, third statement execution, go for the fourth statement conversion, fourth statement execution. Both will be go for parallelly and moreover line by line. That we are calling it say scripting programming language features. Okay, so that the Python is follows that particular feature also. Not only this thing, the Python, we can call it a dynamic programming language. See why the people we are calling it a dynamic programming language? It was very simple. See, in any programming language, if you're creating one particular program, that particular software, we need to convert into the object code, then we need to go for execution, then only we can get the proper output, right? But in case of Python programming language, this is the two steps. It will be done by the one single step, that will be run step. With the help of the run step, the conversion and execution we can do with a single step itself. Got it? So that we are calling it say dynamic programming language. And not only this thing actually, it can we can able to follow, we can able to call the Python programming language general purpose programming language. What it is? General purpose programming language. General purpose programming language in the sense it is not dedicated for single application. It is not dedicated for single application, single kind of applications. It can be built for different kind of applications, and what kind of applications we can able to build, we can able to discuss also. Okay, this is about Python programming language features. Did you understand what exactly the Python programming language features or not?
Yeah, understood.
Any single question is there from this particular topic, from the particular Python features? Jahanavi?
No, sir, it's fine, sir.
Good. Now let me go for understanding the second point from the Python introduction, that will be Python applications. So Python applications. Python applications means we can able to build the different kind of applications. We need to go for discussing what kind of applications we can able to build with the help of the Python. If you're already aware of it, what kind of applications we can able to build, just tell me about Python applications. See, with the help of the Python, we can able to build the machine learning applications. We can able to build the artificial intelligence applications. We can able to build the deep learning applications. We can able to build the data science applications. We can able to build the natural language processing applications. Okay, and we can able to build the web applications. I can tell you beautiful examples for the web applications, which will be YouTube. That YouTube which is implemented with help of the Python only. Okay, and we can able to implementing the mobile applications. I can tell you mobile applications example, Instagram. Okay, so Instagram we have it, right? I think you know about Instagram. Most of the celebrities or most of the people, they are using the Instagram, right? That Instagram also, which is implemented by the Python programming language. Okay, and the Python programming language which can be used for to implementing the desktop applications, something like Notepad, okay, Paint, this kind of applications we are calling it's a desktop applications. Those applications also we can able to build with help of the Python, and we can able to build the gaming applications with help of the Python programming language. Next, we can able to build the automation testing also. Automation testing, a testing automation or automation testing with help of the Python we can able to build. And moreover, the Python will be used for networking automation. Wherever the networking we have it, that particular networking, if you want to be automate, then we can able to use the Python. Okay, and we can able to automate the databases also. Database automation also we can able to do with help of the Python. The Python we can able to use in robotics also. We can able to use in robotics, and we are able to use in embedded applications. We can able to use in VLSA applications also. Okay, chip designing level also we can able to use the Python programming language, and the Python will be used for cloud automation purpose also. See, there is no limitation of where we are using the Python. Okay, we can able to use the Python programming language in any kind of applications. Okay, if you want to build any application, the Python can be supports. The reason which contains all programming language features. That was the reason it can be built the any kind of applications. Is it clear my point?
Yes.
Yes, Anjan.
Any more questions regarding about what kind of applications we can able to build with help of the Python? Yep. Next, let me go for understanding the, if you want to be build this kind of applications, if you want to be build this kind of Python applications, we required the some platform. Okay, that platform we are calling it say Python IDE. What it is? It's a Python integrated development environment. There is a two IDEs are there in Python. The first one is Python 2. Okay. Second one is it's a Python 3. The first one is Python 2. Second one is Python 3. Okay. The people, they always telling that don't use the Python 2, which is the older version. We should use only Python 3 only. That is wrong. Okay. We should habituate it for the Python 2. We should habituate it for the Python 3 also. The reason is Python 2 and Python 3 both are the independent versions. Okay, we should use the Python 3 as well as we should use the Python 2 also. Okay, don't use only Python 3. Don't use only Python 2. We should use both. Okay, this is the Python 2 and Python 3 in your computer. You must need to install it. Okay, how we can able to install, I will tell you in my computer. In same way, you should also do it in your computer also. Okay, see, we have the official website will be there. for downloading the Python programming language. That will be python.org. Python.org. This is the official website for the Python programming language. This is the Python Python website. We need to go for download option. I think you people, you are using the Windows operating system or Mac or Linux. Which operating system you are using? Jahanavi and Pravin and Rakesh.
Windows.
Windows.
Sir, currently Android, sir. I don't use a laptop.
Yes, we can able to execute the Python programs in Android application also. I will tell you how to use it also. Okay. Yeah. See, fine. You should download the Python in your computer. If you are using the Windows, you just click on the Windows. If you click on the Windows, you have the two versions are there. Okay, one is Python 3 and one is Python 2. Okay, we have the two standard IDEs are there, Python 2 and Python 3. Okay, you just need to install the initially Python 2, and meanwhile we need to download the Python 3 also. Both we should download it. Okay, if you want to be download the Python 2, you just click on the Python. If we click on the Python 2, which is showing the release date, the release, it was released in the month of the April 2020. That means it's the latest version or not? See,
Yes.
if you want to be download this particular Python IDE in your computer, we can scroll down. Here we have the file options are there. From that file options, you can select the second last one. Okay, this is the thing you should click on it. If you click on this one, it will be download in your computer automatically. Okay, after downloadation is completed, just double click on it, go for installation process. Within 1 minute it can be installation can be done it. Okay, this is the way you should download the Python 2, you should download the Python 3. So Python 3, how we can able download, I will tell you. We can go back again. We just need to go for download option, and we just need to click on the Windows. Here we have the Python 3 releases, right? Same like we should click on the Python 3 releases, which is also released in the 2020 February 24th, which was released. I think so. This is the version only little bit older than the Python 2, right? See, we need to scroll down. Whenever you scroll down, you will be getting the files here. Okay, whenever you're getting the files, we need to go for down. Here we have the Windows executable installer or not, Windows x86 executable installer, right? This is the file, we need to download it, or else we need to download the this one, Windows x86 64 executable installer. Either we need to download this one, either we need to download this one, anyone is fine actually. Okay, so we need to download this one, we can install it. If the installation is completed, I will tell you how to use it, those two IDEs here. So if installation process as done in your computer, if you want to be open that particular Python IDEs, we just type the Python. Okay, see here I'm getting the IDLE Python GUI. This is the Python 2. Here IDLE Python 3.864. This is also Python 3 IDE. This is the Python 2 IDE. This is Python 3 IDE. Both I can open at a time. Okay, I can open the Python 3 as well as Python 2 also. If you open the Python 2 and Python 3 in your computer in the same time, there is no problem at all. I just want to show you what is the difference of the Python 2 and what was the difference between the Python 2 and Python 3. Okay, so this is the Python 2. See, this is the thing we are calling it a Python 3, and this is the Python 2 add. Okay, this is the Python 2 shell, this is the Python 3 shell. Okay, for seeing both will be the same or not? Yes, for seeing both will be the same only. Okay, so here also we can execute the Python statements. Here also we can execute the Python statements. This is the Python 2 shell. What it is? It's a Python 2 shell. What it is this one? It's a Python 3 shell. Both are shell only, but one is Python 3 shell, one is Python 2 shell. Okay, so on this particular shell also we can able to execute the Python statements. For example, I want to be print the hello, we just use the print statement and we just use the hello, then we then which is printing the hello, right? The same statement you are trying to execute on Python 3. The same statement we try to execute on Python 3, you are getting the error. The reason is the print statement which is missing the parenthesis. We need to follow the proper syntax which related to Python 3, not related to Python 2. Okay. So previously we are getting the hello and now also we are getting hello. But previously in Python 3, the statement of the Python 2 which gives the error. Okay. For example, whatever the syntax we are using Python 3, the same syntax we can use in case of Python 2 in this particular situation. There is no problem at all. Okay. And for example, if you want to be hold some data in any variable, we can directly assign the data in Python. If we want to be print the A, we can use the print A here. Same way, in case of Python programming language also, Python 3 also, if you want to be assign the data, we can assign it. If you want to be print that particular data, we should use the print A here. Okay. If you want to know that what is the data type of this particular variable, then we can use the type of A which returns the integer. Same way, we can able to use the type of A here, which can be returns the integer only. Okay, is it clear or not? This is the way we can able to execute the Python statements on the Python shell. Here also, this is the way you can able to execute the Python statements on the Python shell. This mode of operation, we are calling it say shell mode. What is the mode of operation? This mode of operation we are calling it say shell mode. In Python 3 also we can call it say shell mode only. This is the shell mode which is not used for to implementing the application. It's just for executing the one-to-one statements only, not for implementing the applications. Okay. If we want to be implementing the applications, we need to click on the file and click on the new file, which creating the one untitled file here, which creating the one untitled file. Same way, in case of Python 3 also, we can click on the file, we can create the new file, then which can be creating the one untitled file here. Okay, one is the Python 3 file, one is the Python 2 file, right? So Python 2 file, this is the Python 2. Okay, I just want to be write some kind of statements in Python program. This is the Python statements, this is the also Python statement only, and this is also Python statement only, right? This is the way you are written the all Python statements in one particular file. This is the file, we have to call it a script file. So the mode of operation we are calling it say script mode. Okay, if you're collecting the all the files in one script file, that file we have to run it, then that particular process we are calling it same script file. Same program we have to be write in Python 3, but it's a script mode only. Thing is that we should use the syntax of the Python 3 only, don't use the syntax of the Python 2, we'll be getting the errors. This is the way we should create the different Python files in your computer, and we need to save this particular file. See, whenever you're saving, which is asking that where we have to save it, it's up to you where you need to save it. For example, I just want to be save this particular file in any one particular folder, and I have to save it as a .py extension. Okay, same way you should also save this particular file, and this is also which can be selected any one particular file location, folder location. We need to select specific folder and we need to save it this one. Okay, whenever you save this particular both the files as a .py extension, if you want to be execute this particular program, here we have the run option, right? Here also we have the run option, right? Okay, you just run this particular program, run model, you are getting the output or not? In same way, here also we have the run option, we can run this particular model. Here also you are getting the same output or not? See, The way of using the Python 2, the way of using the Python 3, both will be same, but the internal syntax are the different, that you should understand actually. Okay, any more questions regarding about how to use the Python 2 and how to use the Python 3? Did you understood, right, or not?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, Anjan.
Praveen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Anjan. Understood.
Janvi? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See guys, yeah, if you understand this one, yes, I want to tell you one thing. So most of the time, for executing the Python programs, the third-party IDEs also, which are implemented in your market actually, and most of the data science engineers or most of the machine learning engineers, okay, they are using the different third-party IDEs we have it. Okay, within that one, the very important thing is Anaconda. So if you want to be execute the Python programs in your computer, we just need to download the Python 2 and Python 3, we can use it. Or else we have some third-party IDEs also there. Within that one, the very important thing is Anaconda. Okay, this is the Anaconda. It's a third-party IDE. Most of the time, it will be used for to implementing the artificial intelligence applications, machine learning applications, data science applications, natural language applications. Those kind of applications we can able to build from the Anaconda only. Okay, within the Anaconda we have to use the Python syntax itself. Okay, this is Anaconda. You need to download in your computer. If you want to be download in your computer, we need to go for the products and we need to click on the individual editions. If you click on the individual editions, we can scroll down. If we scroll down, here we have the download option. We just need to download this one. Whenever you click on the download option, here we have the Anaconda installer is available. So if the Anaconda installer is available, then what you should do that, if you are using the Windows operating system, we need to download the Python 2 first. This is the link, this is the thing we need to click on it. If you want to be execute the Python programs in your computer, we need to click on this particular file. If you click on the Python file, you are going to be downloading the Python 2.7. Okay, if you click on this one, you are downloading the Python 3.7. Okay, for very beginning days, we need to understand or we need to habituate it for the Python 2. That is the reason we need to download this particular graphical installer, 64-bit graphical installer Python 2.7 from the Anaconda installer. It can take the time for downloadation purpose, and you should double click on it, go for the next, automatically it can be installed. That process, it approximately more than 20 to 30 minutes actually. Okay, so you should download in your computer first of all. If you download this one, I will tell you how to use it by tomorrow's session of the Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda, how to use it, I can tell you by tomorrow's session. But today, I want to finish the session with course structure explanation. How I can able to explain the whole Python as well as how we can able to understanding the data science also. Okay. See, first I can start the Python programming language. The whole Python programming language I'm dividing into two parts. Okay, and the whole Python programming language I'm dividing into two parts. Okay, so part one, which contains the 50% of the Python course, part two having the remaining 50% of the Python course. So totally I will cover you 100% of the Python course from the part one and part two. From the part one of the Python course, I can explain the each and every concept with the theoretically. Okay, whatever the theory I explain, for more understanding I can able to do lot of examples. That example, after examples, I can able to share you some assignments. These assignments you should do yourself. Okay, after you completed the 50% of the Python course, then I can able to conducting the mid level of exam. Within the mid level of exam, you should get the more than 80%. Whenever you're getting the more than 80%, then I can satisfy myself for sharing my knowledge. Okay, after that one, I can able to share you a small project idea. I just share you a small project idea. This is the idea we should implement, and you should implementing while you are learning the remaining 50% of the course. Remaining 50% of the course we can able to finish with project oriented. Okay, I can explain the each and every concept with theory and examples, and I can share you a lot of assignments. The session that assignments we should do that actually. Other than doing the assignments, we have the project. That particular project we should implementing by yourself. Project implementation also we should finish it. Whenever the project implementation is also completed, then what we can do that we need to go for writing the final level of exam. We need to go for writing the final level of exam. Within the final level of exam also, again we should be getting the more than 80%. Thereafter, we need to go for implementing the small project idea. Okay, so the whole Python course, minimum you should do the minimum two projects from the whole Python course. Okay, this is the way you can able to complete the whole Python course. This is the structure of the Python course. If I miss the single point also, you can raise your voice and you tell me why you not finish this particular concept. There is no worry about it. Okay, you should ask anytime any question in any point of time if I miss anything. Okay, so this is the Python course structure. This is the way we can able to get the whole Python course. Okay, see Rakesh and Pravin, after you finishing this particular Python only, I can able to go with the machine learning concepts, data mining concepts, deep learning concepts, anything after you finishing this particular thing. Okay, got it my point?
Yeah.
Okay, Anjan, got it.
See, after you are so while you learning these things, what are the benefits you are getting from my side? Each and every class it should be recorded actually. Okay, each and every class it should be recorded. Okay, that particular recording you can able to I can able to share you. I can share you. Okay, and while you learning the Python course, or while you learning the different other modules from my side, okay, I will be writing some notes, right? So today also I'm writing some notes in my pen, right? That notes, okay, and I can do lot of examples, right? Those examples, and I can able to share you some assignments, right? These assignments, and we can do some projects also, right? That particular projects we need to upload, we need to deploy in the GitHub repository. So from the GitHub repository we can access anytime those assignments, projects, and example for reference purpose. Is it clear my point? It's public repository, anybody can able to access that repository. Okay, this is the way we can able to go for understanding the whole Python as well as data science course. Clear?
Yes, Anjan, clear.
If you have any question, let me know, I can able to clarify your doubts actually. See, for future reference, I'm saving this file and I'm uploading to your repository. Okay, so if I'm not if I miss any concepts, you can directly ask me, Mr. Anjan, you're not completed this particular topic, please cover this particular topic. And you are saying that we should go for implementing the two projects from the Python. Why, if you're not given any project, you can raise your voice. Okay, why you're not given this particular project, why you're not stand on the words, you can raise your voice at any point, any cost of time. Okay, 001, it's a Python introduction.
Oh, recording on email.
Yes, recording also I can share you. Every class recording I can share. See, Every class recording I can share you. See, we can able to go with, I can upload into the GitHub. See, whatever the class today I covered with you, that class also I can able to upload into the your repository. Morning batch having this, I'm taking the sessions, right? So I'm uploading into that particular batch actually, 001 Pallavi. Okay, this is your batchmates actually. To this particular batchmates, I completed the Python basic syntax and Python built-in functions and data types concepts. Anyway, I'm uploading the today concepts. Okay, so this two, whatever the concepts I finished that particular batch, I can cover you these 2 days. You don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yes, I uploaded. This will be used for your future reference. This is the we can click on this one. If you click on this one, we'll be getting the image, right? The image having the
Yes.
oh shit, man. Okay.
The wrong file, I think.
Okay, I have to 001. This is also Python introduction. It's the correct file only, but I'm not saving the previous one. I
Okay.
couldn't save the previous one also. I have to save it. Where I'm saving this one? Anyway, again I can upload the another file. This is the introduction one, right? Yes, uploaded. Both the files uploaded in your repository. We just open that particular repository and we can click on the that particular class notes. If the class notes is class notes, it can be available on internet in my GitHub repository. Okay. This is the way everyday class I can able to upload. Everyday class I can share you the recording. It might be help you in future reference purpose. Okay. Yes, guys.
Yeah, that's good.
Class data. This is the way you can able to understanding the data science also. Today I'm not explaining anything about data science. Okay. We need to finish this particular. I can add you into that particular batch. After that one, if any point of time, I can able to talk with you regarding about data science also. Okay.
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 Got it.
So Anjan, have you shared the path, right? Can you please share this path? Means for
You
this
need to
this
you need this particular path. Yes.
Yeah.
yes, so we can easily yes.
So you
Just
can
put it into the chat. I'll take it from
you
Chart
can
as well as the drop the
go with screenshot. Take the screenshot.
hold on, okay.
Take the screenshot from this particular repository. I can upload everyday class.
there. Okay.
Okay.
Jahanavi,
Sir,
any questions are there for today concept?
no, sir. No, sir. I completely understood, sir.
Any problem will be there for online training?
No, sir. No, sir. It's completely fine.
Yeah. Okay, Pravin and Rakesh, we will meet you again by tomorrow's session. Okay. Bye. Take
Tomorrow
care.
same time, right, Anjan?
We'll talk. We'll talk the timing. Mostly, I can take evening itself because of I'm traveling tomorrow morning. Okay, so
Okay.
might I can take the evening session for you. The same time only might be okay. And
Yes,
day after
because
tomorrow, I can take you morning itself.
see because the night shift is going on, so that's the reason because this time is good for me at least today. Yes, tomorrow
But
for the 6.
from Monday onwards, then what happened from
Monday on
Monday
a
onwards?
Monday on a morning is okay for me.
Monday 7 a.m. is okay for you. Yeah. Praveen, you already okay for 7 o'clock batch, right? You're already continuing with that particular batch.
Yes,
Your
yes.
friend Money also is okay for that particular batch, only, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
Yeah,
Jahanavi,
yes. I'm also.
are you okay for 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. as for AST?
Yes, sir. My online classes start at 9 a.m., sir. So I'm okay with the 7 a.m., sir.
Okay, good. Then fine, Ashish. Then no worry about it. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for attending the session, guys. I will share you the recording. So the processing is done.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Thank you,
Take
Anjan.
care. Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, Anjan. Bye. Have a great day.